Good afternoon, guys. This is Ajay. Welcome to Ajay Global Channels. Recession, ayo, recession. What to do with recession? All the time, recession news and YouTube recession. You open YouTube and recession came. You open Facebook and recession topic came. You open LinkedIn and recession topic came. What to do with that? Okay, guys, if you really want to understand whether recession will come in India or not, what will be the impact in the stock market, how you will make sure you are safe, your family is safe, guys, you know, work with your family, guys. Okay, we all are working, guys. Everything is after the family. The family is the first priority, guys. Okay, so recession is not a joke here. Okay, recession can ruin many families. In 2008 I've seen, so many people destroy, so many things happens. I don't want to talk these kind of negative things here, guys, but please see this video fully, from A to Z, from starting to end, guys. Please see it. Okay, I'm gonna tell you all the answers. If I'm somebody left, you can mention in the comment, I'll answer there as well. Okay, so guys, recession will come or not, okay. So first of all, guys, I think the new subscriber or new viewers, they don't know that I teach the stock market with analytical skills, your presentation skill, your visualization, and your how you train your brain, guys. Okay, so my method is different, guys. Okay, so if you see the videos, guys, you will understand, like, how effective it is, guys. Okay, so subscribe my channel, guys. Share, like, comment, hit the bell icon, so you can get all the notification at the earliest. Okay, guys, let's start. Don't waste the time. So the global recession is definitely will come, guys, but there's no doubt. I won't say recession. Okay, recession is kind of a very negative word which create panics in the markets. I would say like slowdown. Slowdown definitely will come, and not in Indian market I'm talking about. Global market, basically the developed countries, the Western countries. I would say like Europe, US, Australia, New Zealand. These kind of countries will face the slowdown. They're already facing it now. They are facing it from I think more than 4 to 5 months. So now it's time for slowdown. So now if the Western countries is going for slowdown, so definitely it's going to impact the Indian market as well. We are a part of global, right? We are a part of global markets. How can we, how can we how can we avoid this slowdown and all? But guys, you need to understand what kind of slowdown will come, you know so you need to understand why this recession comes. Why recession in Sri Lanka? Because of debt problems. Okay, they had a huge debt, okay. So that was the basic problem. Okay, and the Russia, UK, Ukraine, added a fire into that in Sri Lanka economy, right? Okay, so our import and export, I'll tell you some example, like how our import and export will be impacted. Okay, or import and export. Okay, our IT industry runs on the US market. I'll tell you the IT industry as well, whether IT industry will affect or not. So some of the sectors only I can pick here, because otherwise video can be very long. There is always a comment section there. You can add the comments. I'll make the different videos for that, whatever is your queries here. Okay, so I'll pick a few sectors. Okay, so our domestic market definitely will impact. Okay, service sector definitely will impact, right? But I won't say like there will be any kind of critical condition in India. I don't think so. There will not be any kind of job loss, guys. Okay, but stay safe, guys. Okay, if you are in service industry, if you're doing job, make sure you're utilizing properly. Okay, make sure that everybody is dependent on you, guys. Okay, because your job is very necessary for your family, guys. Okay, trust me. Okay, you please work with your family, because recession is going to destroy the families, really. And specifically the poor countries. India is a poor country still. Okay, so the global recession will come, India recession will not come, but still you should have a backup plan. That's what I trained you guys in my other YouTube videos, in my this channel. Go to the all videos. Okay, subscribe. You will understand when I said something, how to take a right thing from that and what to do it. When I say recession is not coming, so you should not assume that, okay, Ajay bhai told that recession is not coming, and you done a technical and fundamental research as well on the recession. Okay, and you said like, Sarji, recession won't come at all. Okay, and not like that. Okay, okay, because it's a global phenomena. You can't understand properly. Because somewhere you can be, because there's so many things are there, international economics, international politics, so many things are there. You can't derive everything on your mind. Okay, so there can be always other scenarios that it can happen. Okay, I said 90% no chances are there that recession will come in India, but 10% still there na. 10% तो है ना. 10% काफ़ी होता है. It's too much. 10% also, right? So what happened? The 10% will click. So that and all these things I have teach you guys in my all the videos. Assumption, strategies, everything. So guys, I have a different way to teach the stock market, guys. Nobody will teach you like this, I bet. See my videos. If somebody is going to teach like this, comment in my section, comment in comment section. Okay, I'll separately have a, I'll take a video with this guy. Okay, so that's what, guys, trust me. Okay, this is how it works. So if I say a global recession will not happen, you have to take that recession will come. Recession can come. Recession, okay, when recession came, you should have a B plan, backup plan. So you need to assume now. Okay, that is the right strategy. You need to assume now that recession is coming, because when recession won't come, you don't need to do any kind of strategy. When market is going up, you don't need to do any strategies. 80-90% stock will go up. What strategy you want in that? No, no strategy at all, guys. Okay, there will not be any kind of strategy comes, guys. I'm living in South India, so sometime my accent come like this. Okay, so forgive me, guys. Okay, so you need to assume the recession is coming. Recession isn't train from Western countries, is coming to India. Okay, now what you do? Create a plan B. What should be the plan B? You can see a screen, right? Okay, I seeing Nifty is around 15,966. Okay, okay, so recession will come. What will happen? No resistance, no support will come, happen in when recession comes. Nothing is there. No support, no resistance exists. So what are you gonna do? Okay, I'll tell you. If Ramesh have a 100 rupees and Suresh have 100 rupees, Ramesh Suresh is a brother. Okay. So Ramesh is a smart guy. Suresh is not my subscriber. That's why he's not a smart guy. Okay. So now what to do? So what Ramesh will do, he will assume the worst thing first. Okay, the stock market is going to crash. Hey Baba, stock market is going to crash. What I'm gonna do? He have 100 rupees. He will invest 20 rupees. Okay. Now Ramesh comes to me and he tell me like, okay sir, I want to earn more. Then I'll say like, invest 50 rupees. But your trading style will be changed. You have to do a swing trading every day. Sometime intraday, sometime BTST. No holding, Babare, no holding. Okay. So strategies. This is what I teach you guys in my, all the videos here. Okay. Strategies. Right. So it's up to you guys. Okay. But the idea is you have to save the money, guys. I know the saving is not going to increase. Saving is kind of loss only. But human safety is the biggest investment. Family safety is the biggest investment. Okay, that is above everything. If you're not getting money and you can do something for your family, just do it. Okay, so guys, save your money. Okay, and when the market will crash, okay, don't okay, just keep watching the market. Sometimes just sitting and watching something is really good for you guys. Okay, rather than be a part of this event. Okay, there should be some audience as well, right? So the audience always learn. If somebody is doing dancing, if he break down, the audience will learn, okay, why did he break down? So the next time what I have to do, right? So watching is also a good thing, good phenomena, right? So invest very less amount or do a swing trading. And swing trading, what to do? Ajay is there, na guys? I'll do everything for you guys, right? How to do swing trading, what to do, and all these things. I'll keep telling you guys, okay? So let's come to the topic now, guys, and we'll discuss about the Nifty 50. Okay. So Nifty 50 is there, okay? So now, guys, whenever you see, okay, candlestick pattern I'm not making here. Right now on mobile, I didn't get the time much about it, okay? Because I can't record in my laptop and all. I don't have a time, guys, I'm a working guy. So I'm just doing for you guys, okay? And so now you can see the first, you have to see 1 month chart, three month chart, 6 month chart, and 1 year chart. This is how I'm do. So you need to derive all the supports from 20 DMA, 50 DMA, 100 DMA, 300 DMA. I think you would have heard about it, right? So first month, 3 months, 6 months, and all these things. Okay, so now I can see here it is going to be a perfect example of swing trading. Nifty is a perfect example of swing trading now. Okay, so you don't need to invest for short term and long term now. Okay, invest, do a swing trading. I can see like it's around 50,000 somewhere. Okay, so when it comes around if we cross 1600, 16,000, right, invest it for swing trading. Again, target for 6,300. I already given a short term trading levels in Nifty is 16,455. I'm still there. Okay, it will definitely click. Okay, so now comes to the crude oil. What happening in the crude oil? Okay, so before coming to the crude oil, let's talk about some stock markets. Okay, so you can see here so many stocks are there. Okay, so first I go to the IT sectors. Okay, I already told in my other videos and all, right? IT industry is not good for short term, at least for next 3 to 4 months. No, 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 a big no. Guys, attritions are coming. We all are leaving the companies. Okay, we all are leaving these big margin based companies, lala companies. All, we don't want to work there because they are not giving the salary. Attrition is happening. On top of that, recession is coming. Okay, so IT is not a good deal now until unless they don't change their system and all, right? So IT attrition will continue for the at least for the next 6 months. Okay, so there should not be any kind of short term and proper investment usually people do in these kind of companies, right? Asian Paints. So when market was good, all the stocks were running. This Asian Paint was going down. Now the market is down, the Asian Paint is rising. Why the rising? Because the crude oil is going to down. When I say like crude oil, then my subscribers are very smart, right? When I say crude oil will go down 90, definitely paint will go up, na? That's what I given the target. When it was around 2,800, I given the target 3,000 plus. Now see, my all targets are click. Okay, but still in my YouTube I didn't get the videos, I didn't get subscribe because I don't do marketing, guys. Okay, the genuine people don't require any kind of marketing at all. Okay, and I believe that somewhere maybe because my contents are very good. Okay, I'm here to educate you guys. This is not a paid series. I'm not marketing my Telegram channel, I'm not marketing my WhatsApp channel. No premium things, nothing. These are just for educational purpose, guys. No, nothing, no nonsense. Okay, only knowledge. So now coming to the Tata steel industry, guys, avoid the steel industry as well. When I say like recession is coming, import export, already Tata steel industry facing the crunches because of government ban. Now think about it, when the recession will come, where we will export our steel, man? Where? Okay, and the most revenue will get from US and all these things, right? The China market will crash because where he will export the steel, right? Who is the consumer, right? So the steel industry will go down, guys. Okay, there will not be any kind of figure out. Now you guys need to understand in from my videos that import and export will be basically the export, because our business is all about export. Okay, when you combine import and export, we call it a trade deficit, right? So bilateral trade, right? So let's focus on exports. So whoever thinks we are exporting to this western country, now the first thing is you need to make a list of all the our export list, what government is exporting from India to western countries. Figure out those sectors, and no investment baba on those sectors. No, no, not at all. Okay, so now I would say like the Asian Paint is the best stock. I would say like a very safe, very safe stocks. Okay, JK Cement, these are the domestic. Okay, these, because we are the consumers, choose a sector where the consumer also is India and the manufacturing is also India. Cement, okay, tea, some sectors, because those sectors only will grow, because we are not dependent, we are not going to export, we are not going to import, nothing. We are just हम उगा रहे हैं, हम ही खा रहे हैं, so those stocks, agriculture's industry will be impacted definitely. Everything is interconnected but not much, so this sector, food industry, Asian Paints, paint industries, these are the good sectors. Okay, so guys, and many more stocks I'm going to discuss about in my other videos. There will be a stock market learning lesson, episode number 3 will be coming. There 2 episode I already given, episode 3 will be coming. There you'll get more useful things, guys. Okay, and the some people insist, sir, I want to understand this one as well. Okay guys, I'll keep telling, this is very new thing. Okay, I think you should know about all these things. Okay, all these circuits and all, right? When first thing, guys, you have to do the trading and in trading and investment in F1 only. Okay, not an equity, not in the stock which is all only listed in equity. Because when it comes in F1, there should be a more trading volume, and you need to invest your money in where the volume is high, because it's always easy, you know to get out and get in, okay. So now comes to, like, you can see, like, EPS, year on EPS is going to down 13.16%, TTM 93.1. Okay, so what is the sector P? Sector P is 79.72. And what is the sector means? Like, it's a all the the stocks belongs to this industry, their sector, their average sector is around this one, average P 93.11. So what is the P of Asian Paint? So when you see Asian Paint always look very expensive. Okay, even in this, when it was in 2600 also, it's its valuation is high. Usually what we do, the stocks which is valuation is high, I need to avoid. But the Asian Paint is a different, it's a monopoly, still monopoly. Forget about Grasim phenomena and all. Okay, Grasim launches, but hey, they just did something in the air, and the Asian Paint is going down. This is just a operator concept, guys. The operator and the big corporate investor want to beat down the Asian Paint. They just need some excuses. They put excuses of the Grasim, because if without any excuse, if they beaten down, then their SEBI will follow them. Yeah, why? What? Okay, and then they will not be having any answers. So they need some excuses, guys. Okay, so these kind of tactics and all, guys, I keep telling you in my next videos. Tab tak ke liye, this is Ajay, and sign up. Subscribe my channel, guys. Subscribe तभी बंद करने का, सब्सक्राइब करो, ठीक है guys. Sign off.